Hey everyone, in this video we will learn CSS animation. Uh, so this will be not a project. Uh, we will learn the properties first, and then in the next videos we will try to implement it on real projects. So this will be a learning video. So first of all, let me share my screen, and then we will start writing code. But before writing the code, uh, let's know what we will learn in this video. So in this video we will learn transition properties of CSS and the animation properties of CSS. So these are the two properties we will be focusing. So first of all, let's know what these are and when we will use, when we will pick one of them, like when we need to pick transition or when we use animation. So if I say in simple words, transition is used to like transition you will use in your website when you want to animate your elements on user action, right? When your users do something on your website, then and then you want to like animate some element, then you will use transition. Like if I show something on your screen, so I know you have like seen or visit any website where you hover your mouse on something and there is a animation play after that. So those are done with animation. Like uh, you must have visit uh, what we call Flipkart website. So let's say we are searching mobile smartphone on Flipkart. So we typed a smartphone and the list of a smartphone get appeared. Then what you do is when you move your pointer on each of the smartphone, there is a animation you see. Animation gets play, right? Like background color get little bit darker, or the image get pop up or get bigger. So those are the things that are done with transition. Another example I can say, like let's say you are visiting a web page and there is a button on that page. So when you like move your mouse on that button, then the button get bigger or like color get changed. So these are the things that are done with transition. Like as I said in the earlier, like when you want to do something on your do something, when user do some action, like action will be like uh, user is moving his pointer or clicking on some buttons, uh, like these are the things uh, where you will use transition. Now let's understand what where we will use animation. So animation will be used uh, when you want to do something on your website, uh, when like when page get load, right? When user visit your website, then the animation that you want to play will be done with animation properties of CSS. So user do not need to do any action. Just he need to do the one thing that he need to do is just visit the page, and the animation will be like start playing. So that things will be done with animation properties of CSS. Like what we can say, let's visit one website called Mentor's Help. So here, as you like open the website, what you are seeing here is this what we can say, this image is start playing. I've not done anything, just open the website and the animation start playing. So these are the things that you will do in the animation properties. Like it will be all the code will be done with animation. So this is the theory part. uh, the next thing we will do is we will write code. We will learn each properties. And so let's start. So I was like, before recording this video, I was playing with the those properties, as you can see here. If I like, it is gone because that was live server, and I have removed the code, but so you will not be able to see now. Now let's design, and we will see those animation. So let's understand first what we can learn first is, let's say we are going with transition properties, right? So this is the template I have added here. This line is linking the CSS file. You can see here that this is my CSS file. Let's bring it in the bottom. And the next thing we will do is let's start the server, live server. Bring it right now. What we will do, uh, let's create a div. uh, div, give it a class box1, and let's add the CSS. So first, before writing any transition properties, let's give some color, background color, width, height, so that you can see the box. Why is this? Okay. Select the box1, and give it width. Let's say I'm giving 100 pixel, and the height will be same as width. Give it a background color so that you can see it. Brown will be good. You can see on your screen. The next thing is the properties that we want to learn. So these are the properties you will learn in the transition. So as I said, these transition will be used when your user, when you do something on some element, like I hover on this box, then I want to play some animation, then you will use transition. So let's say when I like move my mouse on this box, I want to make it bigger, or you can say I want to make it wider than this, right? So to do that, first thing you need to do is you will use transition properties, not transform, trans, transition properties, and here you will need to uh, give the value, uh, give that value that you want to change. Like I, as I said, I want to uh, change the width. I want to increase the width. So I will write width here. So as you can see, there's nothing happening here right now because you need to use the uh, what we call pseudo class, right? Uh, if you already might know that if you want to add a style when something get clicked or get hovered, then you need to use the pseudo class. So I'm using the pseudo class hover box one and the hovers pseudo class, and now I will give the styling, whatever styling that we want to apply on this box, you will add it here. So let's say width will be 200 pixel. Initially it was 100, but when it get hovered, it should be 200. So let's see. As you can see, as I hover, as I move my mouse on that, the width is become bigger, or you can say twice the initial. So uh, the one properties you have learned, but you can also achieve this without any transition. You can see here I have removed the transition, and the same thing I will be able to achieve with without that transition property, as you can see. But there will be one question which might be coming in your mind, that if I achieve this without transition, then why should we use this transition property? So this is because as you can see, as I move my mouse on it, the width get bigger like immediately. There is no smooth behavior on that. So that's where we use transition. We can give a smooth behavior, like you, we will give some time in second, and during that second, that transition will be like happening. So let's learn more properties to achieve that. So as you can see, this is the usual as we saw previously. Now let's uh, use transition duration. So as you can see, the transition is happening very immediately. As I move my mouse, the transition get applied, or you can say animation get played. So let's give some time duration so that you can see this smooth behavior. Transition duration. Let's say I want to give 4 seconds. So during the 4 seconds, as you move your mouse, in 4 seconds, the uh, width will start growing. notice on my pointer, as I move my mouse, the width is like start getting bigger, right? So this is the use of this transition properties. Now this is very slow. You can give it 2 seconds. So, this is like fine. Now let's learn the next properties. So as you see here, once I move my mouse on it, the animation get play, like animation start playing. But what I want to achieve is like I want to wait for, I want this element, I want this box to wait for some time, right? So once I move my mouse, I want this box to wait for some time, then the animation should play. So to achieve that, you have another property called transition delay. It will like it will wait for the time that you will add as a value. Transition delay. Spelling is wrong. Transition delay. Let's say once I move my mouse on it, it should wait for 2 seconds, and then the animation or the width should be start becoming bigger. So see here, I like notice on my pointer, I like placed my mount pointer on it. It is not start now. Now it is like start becoming bigger. So it is like waiting for me for 2 seconds, or you can give more second to visualize it. You can see here my pointer is still on it, but animation is not playing. Now the animation is start. So this is the delay. It will wait for the time that you give it here as a second. All the value will be in second. The next properties is transition timing function. This transition timing function will you will be like you will understand it more better if you saw it. You will not understand it by words. So I uh, want you to visualize it. So let's go to one website, what we called timing, or I forgot the name. Timing function in CSS. There was one website that will help you to understand that better. So actually, what it will do is the transition time function will do is uh, right now what you are seeing is all the animation is uniformly distributed across the time, right? Whatever time you have given here, the transition is happening uniformly, right? You can see if you remove this delay, you can see the rate of changing at this point is same as at this point, same as this point, you can see. But if you use this timing function, you can like change the uh, speed. Like let's say you want to make this animation faster in the starting, slower in the end. So that thing will be achieved by this properties. Or you can say you want to achieve it, like you want to make it bigger in the beginning, slower in the like in the middle time, and again faster in the ending. So that will be done with the timing function, transition timing function. So let's what was that website? I don't know. So let's see. You could find it. Yes, that is the website I was trying to find. Cubic Benzier. So this will be better for you to understand that. You can see here what I can do is, let's say this teal color box is representing this box, and the pink box is this what we call graph, right? So what you are seeing right now is animation is uniformly distributed across the time, but you want to let's see that one first, that you are seeing in this box. You can see here, notice this box, this teal color box and the pink color box. Increase the timing. Let's repeat 3 seconds and go. So you can see here both the boxes are not moving at the same rate. The second box is uniformly like the speed of this box is uniform, right? But the first box, the pink box, is moving faster in the initial, and slower in the ending, right? So this thing will be achieved by this. As I said, let's see what you want is, you want to move your box slower in the beginning and faster in the middle time, and again slower in the ending. So now notice the pink box. Pink box will move slower in the beginning, faster in the middle, uh, and again slower in the end. So this thing will be achieved by uh, the transition timing functions. First, visualize it here. You can see the pink box is slower, now faster, again slower. So this thing you can achieve, you can play it here. This website will help you to understand this property more like more clearly. So let's let's use these properties as well. So okay, as you can see, you can copy this graph and you can put it here, and once you move your mouse, or you need to give it more, let's see, 4 seconds. As you can see here, it was slower in the beginning, and like uh, it get faster in the middle and then slow. So this that will be achieved by these properties. There are some inbuilt value as well, like each, and see, you cannot I cannot make it more clearly by words. You can feel it and see, according to your need you can use these values, or you can even uh, make your own timing function at this website. We just need to play it here, play with this graph, copy it and paste it here, right? So these are the four properties that we use in the transition. I'm stopping this video here. In the next video, we will learn animation. Transition is done, and then animation will be in next video. Thanks.